So here's what our back porch, our back deck looks like on February 13th, 2014. So I was careful to put out lots of bird food. And you can see it's Grand Central Station. So Julian made a path.
15 inches of snow.
Is it 15? Good grief. Keiko, get in the snow. Keiko.